I'm happy to go to court and litigate the issues that they've raised in this court complaint. A complaint which, by the way, cites no authority, no case law for their position on the sports issue.
The Trump administration filed a lawsuit against Maine Wednesday for openly and defiantly flouting Title IX by allowing trans athletes to participate in girls' sports. The lawsuit claims the term sex does not mean gender identity.
This is an executive order, but it is also federal law, and I think that states would be, well warned to pay attention to that.
But Mills says that's only Trump's interpretation of the law, a take she argues is incorrect, adding his threats to take away federal education funding won't hold up.
Federal court has already ruled they can't do that.
The governor referencing a recent court ruling preventing the Trump administration from cutting USDA funding to Maine.
I urge you to read this ruling and tell me that the federal court has not already ruled that they cannot simply deprive the state of funds.
Republicans continue to argue trans athletes put other girls at a disadvantage. But today, Governor Mills pointed to one Maine athlete, Maddie Ripley, who won the state wrestling title against boys in 2023 and in 2024.
Suddenly, they are, bettered, if you will, in the sport or beaten in the sport by a male.
Women can do very well in sports of all kinds, and I support that.
Mills was also asked if the state is planning to look into MSAD 70. That's a northern Maine school district that's made plans to change its Title IX policy to align with the Trump administration's requests. In response, she says she's not going to give that district legal advice. In Bangor, Anna Kuhn, CBS 13 News.